This is a quick video on how to fix your carving project if you manage to break something off like this, for example. And what I like to use is just super glue. And that way I can get straight back into whittling. Some people use wood glue, but that can be a little bit tricky because then you'd have to clamp this and wait it to dry. But something so fragile and small like this, it's really hard to clamp. But with this, you can glue it back and just continue the project straight away. Now obviously there are precautions that you can make in order to avoid this kind of a thing from happening. It's usually about not using too much force. So with very thin features like these antlers, if I twist the blade too much and for example the back of the blade pushes against the remaining wood, it can easily crack, especially with something as soft as the Norway spruce that I'm using. And yeah, even with a lot of practice, this still sometimes happens to me. With this project, I think it was this leg that I broke off entirely. And there's only a very, very tiny mark right there. So you can barely notice it if you just glue it on right away, because usually if something splits off, it does so quite cleanly. So I like this super glue method because it takes such a short amount of time and you don't need to clamp down your piece for gluing, which can also be quite a hassle, especially with something as tiny as this.